When it comes to children, we all know that accidents can happen in the blink of an eye. That's why it's crucial for parents and caregivers to be prepared for any unexpected emergencies that may arise. One way to ensure that you are ready for anything is by creating a pediatric emergency kit. First and foremost, it's important to have a designated container to store all of your emergency supplies. This could be a small plastic bin, a backpack, or even a large Ziploc bag. The key is to have everything in one place so that you can easily grab it in case of an emergency. Now let's talk about what should go in your pediatric emergency kit. First and foremost, you'll want to have basic first aid supplies on hand. This includes bandages, gauze, adhesive tape, antiseptic wipes, and scissors. These items will come in handy for treating minor cuts, scrapes, and bruises. In addition to first aid supplies, it's also important to have medications on hand for common childhood ailments. This could include fever reducers, antihistamines, and pain relievers. Make sure to check the expiration dates on these medications regularly and replace them as needed. Another essential item to include in your pediatric emergency kit is a thermometer. A fever can be a sign of a serious illness, so it's important to be able to monitor your child's temperature accurately. Make sure to choose a thermometer that is easy to use and read, such as a digital thermometer. In the event of a more serious emergency, it's important to have a list of emergency contacts on hand. This should include the phone numbers of your child's pediatrician, the local hospital, and any other important contacts. You may also want to include a copy of your child's medical history and insurance information. Finally, it's a good idea to include some comfort items in your pediatric emergency kit. This could include a favorite toy, a blanket, or a small snack. These items can help to calm your child down in a stressful situation and make them feel more comfortable. Now that you know what to include in your pediatric emergency kit, let's talk about how to keep it organized. Make sure to check the contents of your kit regularly and replace any expired or used items. You may also want to consider labeling the items in your kit so that you can easily find what you need in an emergency. In addition to keeping your emergency kit organized, it's also important to make sure that everyone in your household knows where it is located. Consider storing your kit in a central location that is easily accessible to all family members. You may also want to consider creating a list of instructions for how to use the items in your kit. In conclusion, creating a pediatric emergency kit is a simple and effective way to prepare for any unexpected emergencies that may arise. By including basic first aid supplies, medications, emergency contacts, and comfort items, you can ensure that you are ready for anything. Remember to keep your kit organized and easily accessible, and to regularly check and replace the contents as needed. With a little preparation, you can have peace of mind knowing that you are ready to handle any emergency that comes your way.